Hello. Today we're going to talk about boosting your mindset and energy increases your productivity. I'm going to repeat that. Today we're going to talk about how boosting your mindset and energy increases your productivity. I'm going to give you 5 tips. So if you are looking for ways to increase your productivity, you want to keep watching this video. Hello, my name is Jackie McKeever, and on my channel, our objective is always to take your life back and your business back. I'm a life and business coach. What I specifically do is I provide methods of helping you get organized and by giving you training and how-to guides. I'm your guide to taking your life and your business back. Anyway, y'all, let's get to this topic. Okay, so gratitude is a method of showing thankfulness for what you have. Simple put, plain layman's terms is what gratitude is. Gratitude is also the first step in boosting your mindset and productivity. Once you learn to show gratitude for what you have and really give into that feeling, those emotions behind being grateful for those things, it begins to change your mindset because it changes the energy around you. You know, you go from being, I got to do this again, to I'm thankful that I have income to support my wants and my needs. So the challenge for you concerning gratitude, which is the first tip, is to write 5 things that you are grateful for each day. Write 5 things on your paper that you are grateful for each day. So the second method of boosting your mindset and energy for productivity is surrounding yourself with good company. Y'all, have you ever been around a Debbie Downer and they complained and griped so much? Your fun activity became something that was very, very boring. I don't know about you, but I certainly have, right? So there are certain Debbie Downers that you can't avoid. Like if you have an employer or somebody like that, you can't avoid them because you have to go to work. But there's other people that may be in your life that you cannot spend so much time and energy on. When you are taking back your energy, taking control of your life, you are boosting your mindset and your energy to give yourself more productivity. So here's a challenge with surrounding yourself with good company is instead of focusing on the people that are around you that are overly negative, write down 5 types of people that you would like to surround yourself with. Write down where you think those people will hang out. And guess what? Hang out in those places. That way you can surround yourself with good company. So number 1 was showing gratitude. Number 2, surround yourself with good company. Number 3 is positive thinking. I kind of gave an example of positive thinking in my previous comments when I was talking about proclamations, when I was talking about you may have some type of job, some type of activity, task in your job that you don't particularly care for. And instead of, oh, I got to do that again. Why come somebody else can't do it? Instead of thinking or giving into that energy or those thoughts, change those thoughts. I am so thankful that I have the income to do the things that I want and do the things that I need. Like for instance, I'm going on a vacation soon, right? A mini vacation. I took one last month and I'm taking one again this month. So all of my energy and all my focus are focused on this wonderful vacation that my particular job allows me the income so I can do the things that I need, which are take care of myself, and things that I want, which are mini vacations. Okay. So that's a way of changing a negative thought into a positive thought. Another way is through affirmations. You should really begin your day and end your day with affirmations. And affirmations are great, especially, let's say you have a job and you believe that you don't make enough money. And you know that money is a vehicle to ensure that you have the resources like a car to get you where you're going. So you may want to incorporate this affirmation. I am a money magnet, and I'm reading it so that I won't skip the words. I am a money magnet. Large sums of money comes to me easily, quickly, and increasing quantities from multiple sources on a continuous basis in the best interest of all that I get to keep. And you say that before you go to bed and when you get up, and you continue to say that, and watch how money starts to manifest, and how that positive thinking, because you begin to believe that that you are a money magnet, right? Because whenever you have a negative thought, you have to counteract those negative thoughts with more positive thoughts. For instance, like one negative thought, you should do 2 to 3 positive thoughts. That's why my my challenge for you is to write 5 affirmations to say daily, twice a day, before you go to bed and when you wake up in the morning. That brings us to number 4, y'all. Number 4, get you some sunlight, child. Get you some sunlight. Okay? Excuse me. Get you some vitamin D. Vitamin D can boost your energy, right? It can boost your mindset, boost your energy, and when you boost your mindset and energy, it causes you to be more productive. There was a study done with people who lived in places like Alaska, or that are majority that have large amounts of dark days. They found that when they took the same people and put them in areas that have more sunny days, that their mood changed. Now, this study was a study with depression, but with situational depression, but these people had a decreased amount of mood changes or depression when taken away from environments that were closed in or that had large amount of darkness, right? Because there's more dark days than sunny days. So that study lets us know that vitamin D, sunlight, can boost your energy because you're getting one with nature. You're able to smell the flowers, touch the grass, and just breathe in life. So here's the challenge for that. Take a break and go outside 5 minutes each day. That brings us to number 5, y'all. Number 1 was show gratitude each day. Number 2, surround yourself with good company. Number 3 was think positive. Number 4 was get some sunlight. And number 5 is meditation. Y'all, oftentimes when I'm stressed from all the work or all the activity I do, before I go to my relaxing activity, I take a moment and meditate. And meditation can be in different forms. It can be through reading, it can be through listening to subliminal messages, it can be through just listening to music, it can be through listening to nothing. But meditation helps release the body of all that negative energy, that tension, and open up the mind, allow the mind to be free and clear. And it changes the mindset, it changes the energy around you so that you can be more productive. And you're more productive when you can release the toxins that the day may have caused you. And those are negative energies or whatever it may be, stress in your day. So my challenge for you is to find you a class or a video and etc. and start meditating each day. Meditate each day in between work and in between pleasure so that you can take your life and your business back. Make sure that you watch the next video. It'll either be here or here. It'll be more ways to be more productive. So make sure you do that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel where I give you more tips, more how-to, more things so that you can be more productive, because it's all about taking your life and your business back. Join me for my challenge, y'all. I almost forgot to tell y'all about my challenge. I'm doing a productivity challenge. It's an 8-day challenge where you receive video recordings from me absolutely free. 8 days of 8-day video challenge. You get to watch 8 days of videos where I give you lessons on how to be more productive, how to stay motivated, and on planning. It's my productivity challenge, and it'll be in the description. So make sure you sign up for that productivity challenge.